Hi guys, it's Legend, and I'm here for an unboxing. I'm going to be opening this box. It's going to be pretty sweet. Hey, you want to come join the video? Come here. Here, I got you a treat. Here, you want to join the video? That's right, that's how you feed a living scarf. Your mouth is so nasty. Okay, here, I'm just gonna open it. I already cut the tape. Alright, bye. There's the box for you. The first item I got is a plastic bag with something inside. The second item is a smaller plastic bag. And the third one is the smallest plastic bag. Oh, I think this must have been in the thing. Oh, well, mail. Here's the first opening of the plastic bag. It's shorts that match my eyes, I think. I'm colorblind. These are JANJI. Running Essential. Sick. Now these ones, this bag, it looks like, oh perfect, women's tights. Maybe they're men's tights. I don't know. Either way, they're probably a little tight in the crotch for me. And that's what I have for that. And the last thing is a shirt that is a shirt. So I guess I could try these on. Probably really neat. I messed up my headband. Okay, here is my shirt that now is over my Sawyer sweatshirt. Not sponsored. Shorts. Oh, there's underwear built in. Alright, thank you JANJI. That's the unboxing from Legend. See you later.
I didn't even laugh. Legitimately nutsack bulge.
Nutsack bulge?
Yeah.
I think this is how they go.
Yeah.
These are gonna look great.
Oh!